Pag 20 ampere trip, so minimum is 3.5 square mm or number 12. Pag 30 ampere trip, so yung circuit wires mo is 5.5 square mm. So ito yung gamitin natin, itong table ng capacity, also itong table ng branch circuit requirements. Okay, to continue, so welcome to our new learning. This time we have the topic which is itong tamang circuit breaker at wire for 3-piece aircon units. So ang aim natin ngayon is mag-select tayo ng specific ratings ng mga aircon unit. Assume na sila ay 3-piece. So as you can see, ito yung ating presentation sample. So this one is ito yung package ng split type AC ito. So merong condenser, merong fan coil unit or FCU, and then itong ating condenser located outside sa unit mo. As you can see, meron tayo ditong enclosed circuit breakers, okay, for this one. So this is the sample na yung wire saka circuit breaker. Then ito yung enclosed circuit breaker na naka NEMA 3R. Okay, so to proceed, meron tayong mga specific rating ng mga aircon natin. Okay, so assume na ito yung ating format, gamiting format. So meron tayong item. So 8 items means to say 8 type ng aircon unit na naka 3-piece. So naka HP, merong 1/2, 3/4, 1 HP, 1.5, 2, 3, 7.5 at saka 10 HP. So ito is assuming na this list of aircons are 3-piece yung kailangang power supply. And then to proceed, so we need to size yung magiging circuit breaker for this particular aircon unit. So refer to the PEC 2017. Okay, that's from table 4.30.14.4, followed current 3-piece alternating current motors. So meron tayong table, this one is horsepower, so inductions type squirrel cage, wound rotor amperes. So meron tayong selected na rating ng HP natin, may 1/2, 3/4, 1, 1.5, 2, 3, 7.5 at saka 10. So assume na yung ating aircon is naka 3-piece siya, 230 volts. So it falls from this column. Okay, so yung ating 1/2 HP, so meron FLC na 2.2 amperes. Pag 3/4, meron 3.2 amperes. Pag 1 HP, merong 4.2 amperes. Pag 1.5 or 1/2, that is 6 amperes. Pag 2 HP, we have 6.8. Pag 3 HP, we have 9.6. 7.5 HP, we have 22. So pag 10 HP, meron tayong 28 amperes. So itong value na to sa table, ilagay natin dun sa ating schedule. After natin ma-review yung PEC, so yung ating respective aircon unit, so meron na tayong followed current. So itong mga value na to, ito yung kinuha natin dun sa table ng PEC. Okay, so 7.5, 22 amperes. Pag 10 HP, 28 amperes. So after that, kung meron ka nitong FLC, so pwede na natin makuha yung rating ng circuit breaker. So record tayo ulit doon sa PEC, which is coming from the table 4.40.3.2 applications and selection. So at A, rating or setting for individual motor compressor. So the motor compressor branch circuit, short circuit and ground fault protective device shall be capable of carrying the starting current of the motor. So a protective device having a rating setting not exceeding 175% of the motor compressor's rated load current. So our branch circuit selection or current, so whichever is greater shall be permitted. So provided that where protection specified is not sufficient for the starting current of the motor, so the rating shall be permitted to increase but shall not exceed 225% of the motor rated load current. So means to say, yung i-size up natin yung kanyang circuit breaker, so meron tayong factor na 175%, and then hindi lang siya lalagpas nitong 225%. So for the purpose of our calculations, prefer to use this percentage 175% factor. Okay, so from the PEC code, so means to say itong ating FLC, i-times lang natin siya ng 1.75 to size up yung ating magiging circuit breaker. Okay, so from that, itong ating 1 half HP, so meron tayong 3.85 amperes. That is 2.2 times 1.75. And then you can drag it for the succeeding Aircon unit. So again, pag 3/4, 5.6 amperes. Pag 1 HP, 7.35. Pag 1.5, 10.50. Pag 2 HP, 11.9. Pag 3, 16.80. Pag 7.5, 38.50. Pag 10, 49 HP. So amperes. So, after that, ito yung ating na-compute na circuit breaker capacity. So i-check natin kung ano yung available sizes sa code. Okay, so from table 2.40.1.6, standard ampere rating, so fuses or fixed strip circuit breakers. So the standard ampere rating for fuses or inverse time circuit breaker shall be considered 15 in minimum. Next is 20, 25, we have 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 60, 70, and so on. So ito yung ating reference to size up ng magiging rating ng ating circuit breaker based on this standard ampere rating. Okay, so from the PEC code, so meron na tayong na-arrive na circuit breaker rating, poles at saka volt. So yung ating pole is naka 2 pole siya, 230 volts. So sa ating 1 HP, 1 half HP, so meron tayong 3.85. So ang prefer ko na use is 20 ampere 3 phase 230 volts. Sa 3/4, that is 5.6, so 20 ampere trip 3 phase 230 volts. Sa 1 HP, 20 ampere trip 3 volt 230 volts. Sa 1.5, the same ng meron tayong CB capacity na 10.50, so 20 ampere trip 3 phase. Sa 2 HP, so 20 ampere trip again 3 phase. Sa 3 HP, 30 ampere trip na 3 phase. Sa 7.5 HP, so 50 ampere trip uh, 3-phase. Sa 10 HP, we have 60 ampere trip 3-phase. So, sir, bakit meron kang asterisk? So, uh, yung minimum ko sa design, pag mga aircon unit, so 20 ampere trip. So, yung 15 ampere trip, yung nagamit ko lang siya sa lighting design. So, if itong item 1 to kahit item 1 to 3, so if prepare ka mag 15 ampere trip, so depende sa design mo. So, pwede mo itong gamitin 15 ampere trip, triple, 230 volts. Okay, so after that, meron na tayong circuit breaker. Let's proceed for the yung wire o yung conductor. Again, from the table, 4.40, 0.4.2 for a single motor compressor. So, yung branch circuit conductor supplying a single motor compressor shall have an ampacity not less than 125% of either motor compressor load current. So, yung kanyang conductor daw, merong factor na 125%. So, ito yung ating gamitin to size up yung magiging wire ng aircon units natin. Okay, so from the code, so to size up yung ating wire, so yung kanyang FLC, multiply natin siya ng 1.25. Okay, so sa 1/2 HP, meron tayong 2.75 amperes. So you can drag it para sa succeeding aircon unit natin. Okay, so for 3/4, meron tayong 4 amperes. For 1, 5.25. For 1.5, 7.5 amperes. Okay, so on sa 10 HP, meron tayong 35 amperes. And then, after that, i-check natin yung available wire size together with yung kanyang opacity base sa PEC. So, from the PEC table 3.10.2.6 B16, so meron tayong wire opacity, so mm squared, THN, THWN at 75 degrees Celsius. So, pag 2 ampere, 2 square mm, 20 amperes. Pag 3.5, 25 amperes. Pag 5.5 square mm, we have 35 amperes. 8.0, we have 50 amperes. Pag 14 square mm, 65 amperes yung kanyang opacity at 75 degrees Celsius. And then may table tayo na yung 2.10.2.6 summary of branch circuit requirements. Pag yung overcurrent protection mo daw, yung circuit breaker is 15 amperes. So yung kanyang circuit wires is 2 square mm. Pag 20 ampere trip, so minimum is 3.5 square mm or number 12. Pag 30 ampere trip, so yung circuit wires mo is 5.5 square mm. So, ito yung gamitin natin. Itong table ng opacity, also itong table ng branch circuit requirements. Okay, to continue, so from the table, meron na tayong wire size, yung column niya, and then yung selected na yung meron na tayong schedule ng wire. So, for 1/2 HP, meron tayong 3.5 square mm. So, 3. Tatlong line. Line 1, line 2, line 3. So, the same ng circuit breaker until 2 HP. So, means to say, the same din yung kanilang wires. 3.5 square mm. Up to 1/2 up to 2 HP. So, for 3 HP, yung circuit breaker natin is 30 ampere trip. So, 3.5, tatlong 5.5 square mm. For 7.5, we have 8.0 square mm. For 10 HP, we have 314 square mm yung kanyang wire. So, pag yung circuit breaker mo is 15 ampere trip, so yung minimum is this is 3. So, tatlong 2.0 square mm. Okay, so we're done sa ating calculations ng circuit breaker at saka sa wire. So, to sum up, so this is the summary ng ating calculations ng circuit breaker at saka sa wire. So ito, you can use this as reference sa magiging design mo. Okay, so but this is only intended sa mga 3-phase aircon unit. Okay, so I hope you learn sa ating short learning. So please subscribe para kayo updated sa mga videos na every time i-upload ko. Thank you.